Hi, I'm Srinivas Jagdale, a fourth year mechanical engineering student contesting for the post of Institute Sports Secretary. My vision is to create opportunities for everyone, diversify the sporting experience, digitalize the bureaucracy, and rekindle the sports enthusiasm post COVID lockdown. I know you guys have been stuck at home and missing Insti, so I decided to bring Insti to you. Through City Connect, we'll be connecting you to the other IITM students who are living near you. We will also conduct fun sports activities that will serve as an icebreaker for you with your seniors and your juniors. I have decided to improve on current sporting clubs in the institute. I'll be introducing an Indian Games Club for events like Kho-Kho, Gilli Danda, Lagori, etc. In addition to this, I have an initiative to include an indoor games club for games like football, carom, Rubik's Cube and pool. Finally, we'll be having two flagship treks under the Adventure Club for the people who are interested. Going on these lines, I also want to introduce people to games like air rifle shooting and go-karting through introductory sessions. We all love playing cricket in the streets, right? So why can't we have it in the institute? There will be inter-hostel cricket tournament with home and away matches. To make it even more interesting, each squaddy will have its own set of rules. To involve more PGs, we'll be having a leisure game weekend. This weekend, we'll have games like indoor games, Indian games, and much more to help them relax. This will help involve more PGs in the other institute sports. The goal for the next Intraet is to win the overall general championship for the IIT Madras. During the semester, we'll be starting gradual back to form camp called CARM. The objective is simple: to get our players out of the lockdown slump, get them started with the full-fledged interactive practices by the end. We will also get external help to conduct interactive games among the teams during the semester. Other than this, we'll be having individual fitness tracking for all the contingent members. We'll be raising funds through alumni to help our contingent to participate in outside tournaments. Lastly, we'll be conducting semester-long dedicated learner camp for the sports that has very few people with a pre-institute experience. Another major point that I wish to address is there will be two new batches that will be incoming in the institute. So I have decided to have a special immersion program right after their NSO selection. This will help team to select probables early from these two batches. We will be revamping Freshie Reuter to Freshie Interdepartmental League. This will contain both the batches and each and every sport. Finally, we will be introducing two new NSOs, one for para powerlifting and one for water polo. For fitness enthusiasts who track their carbs and protein on daily basis, I have come up with a simple solution. We will have counter for that in the students app for the best menu. You can add what is there on your plate and the nutritive information will be displayed to you. Moreover, we'll be having a regular column called Ask the Dietitian. Here, we'll be having professional who will be answering all your diet related queries and questions. Finally, we'll be introducing outdoor circuit training and boxing fitness as the LTAP courses. To streamline hostel equipment borrowing and lending, I'll be introducing new system of QR codes through which you can track who has the equipment, who took it from the last time and since when. I also plan to introduce centralized jersey vendor so that it will reduce cost for Reuters and the of the jersey. Speaking of Reuters, we'll be having dedicated website for schedule, leaderboards and scores. I also plan to provide e-certificates to avoid hassles during processes like resume verifications in intern and placement drive. Last but not the least, I plan to start podcast with alumni to share their experiences. This podcast will help us to motivate and promote the current generations of students in the institute. For 2021 contingent graduates, I want to give them a chance to play their last matches, last games on their own fields for the last time. I am the current event score of the sports organizing committee where we conducted lot of events in spite of COVID lockdown. I was the sports secretary of Ganga Hostel where I have manifesto completion of 90%. I have been part of Inter-IIT Aquatics team and water polo team since my first year and I have won 3 bronze medals for the same. Lastly, I was the triathlon club convener and I am the institute record holder for the same. Once again, I am Srinivas Jagdale contesting for the post of Institute Sports Secretary. I hope you turn up on 7th of April and vote for me. Thank you for your time.